Welcome, everyone, to tonight's exploration into the fascinating world of chronobiology and the science of sleep. As we settle in for a long, relaxing journey, we'll unravel the mysteries of our internal biological clocks, those silent timekeepers ticking away within every cell of our bodies. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate mechanisms that govern our sleep-wake cycles, and how understanding them can lead to a more restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Imagine, if you will, that each of your cells contains a tiny, exquisitely precise clock. These aren't clocks that measure hours and minutes in the way we typically think of them, but rather they track the ebb and flow of biological processes, orchestrating a symphony of activity that spans approximately 24 hours. This, my friends, is the essence of the circadian rhythm, a term derived from the Latin circa diem, meaning about a day. Our circadian rhythms are fundamental to nearly every aspect of our physiology. They influence not only when we feel sleepy or awake, but also our hormone levels, body temperature, metabolism, and even our mood. Think of it as an internal metronome, setting the pace for countless biological functions. But where does this internal timekeeping system originate, and how does it work? The conductor of this intricate orchestra is a tiny region in the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. Nestled within the hypothalamus, the SCN is a cluster of approximately 20,000 neurons that act as the master circadian pacemaker. It receives direct input from the eyes via the optic nerve, allowing it to synchronize with the external environment, particularly the light-dark cycle. This is why exposure to light, especially sunlight, plays such a crucial role in regulating our sleep-wake patterns. When light enters our eyes, it sends a signal to the SCN, which in turn suppresses the production of melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleepiness. As darkness falls, melatonin levels rise, signaling to the body that it's time to rest. This delicate interplay between light, the SCN, and melatonin is essential for maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm. But the story doesn't end there. The SCN doesn't operate in isolation. It communicates with other brain regions and peripheral tissues, synchronizing their internal clocks to the master rhythm. In fact, nearly every cell in our body possesses its own intrinsic circadian clock, driven by a set of genes known as clock genes. These genes cycle on and off in a 24-hour pattern, regulating the expression of other genes involved in various cellular processes. Think of it as a hierarchical system, with the SCN acting as the central timekeeper and the peripheral clocks acting as local oscillators. The SCN ensures that all these clocks are synchronized, maintaining overall temporal order within the body. But what happens when this delicate system is disrupted? Disruptions to our circadian rhythms can have far-reaching consequences for our health and well-being. Shift work, jet lag, and even exposure to artificial light at night can throw our internal clocks out of sync, leading to a variety of problems, including sleep disorders, mood disturbances, metabolic dysfunction, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Let's delve deeper into some of these consequences. One of the most common consequences of circadian disruption is insomnia. characterized by difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. When our sleep-wake cycle is misaligned with our internal clock, it can become challenging to initiate and maintain sleep at the desired times. This can lead to daytime fatigue, impaired cognitive function, and reduced overall quality of life. But the effects of circadian disruption extend far beyond sleep. Studies have shown that chronic misalignment of our internal clocks can also increase the risk of mood disorders, such as depression and anxiety. This is likely due to the disruption of neurotransmitter systems involved in mood regulation, such as serotonin and dopamine. Furthermore, circadian disruption has been linked to metabolic dysfunction, including insulin resistance, weight gain, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. This is because our circadian rhythms play a crucial role in regulating glucose metabolism and energy expenditure. When these rhythms are disrupted, it can lead to imbalances in these processes, increasing the risk of metabolic disorders. And the list goes on. Circadian disruption has also been associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. It's clear that maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm is essential for overall health and longevity. So, what can we do to keep our internal clocks running smoothly? One of the most important things we can do is to prioritize regular sleep-wake schedules. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends, helps to reinforce our circadian rhythms and keep our internal clock synchronized. Consistency is key. Exposure to natural light, especially in the morning, is also crucial for regulating our circadian rhythms. Sunlight helps to suppress melatonin production and signal to the SCN that it's time to be awake and alert. Aim for at least 30 minutes of sunlight exposure each day, especially in the morning hours. Conversely, it's important to minimize exposure to artificial light at night, especially blue light emitted from electronic devices. Blue light can suppress melatonin production and disrupt our sleep-wake cycle. Consider using blue light filters on your devices or wearing blue light-blocking glasses in the evening. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can also help to promote healthy sleep and regulate our circadian rhythms. This might include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. The goal is to create a calming environment that signals to the body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. In addition to these lifestyle modifications, there are also several supplements that may help to regulate our circadian rhythms. Melatonin, for example, can be helpful for those who have difficulty falling asleep or who are experiencing jet lag. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements, as they can interact with other medications. Another supplement that may be helpful is magnesium, which plays a role in regulating sleep and relaxation. Magnesium deficiency is common, and supplementing with magnesium may improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia symptoms. Again, it's important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating molecular mechanisms that drive our circadian clocks. As I mentioned earlier, clock genes play a central role in regulating our internal rhythms. These genes, encode proteins that interact with each other in a complex feedback loop, cycling on and off in a 24-hour pattern. One of the key clock genes is called PER, which stands for period. The PER protein accumulates in the cell during the day and then inhibits its own production at night, creating a negative feedback loop. This cycle takes approximately 24 hours to complete, driving the circadian rhythm. Another important clock gene is called CRY, which stands for cryptochrome. The CRY protein also accumulates in the cell during the day and then inhibits the production of PER, further reinforcing the negative feedback loop. Together, the PER and CRY proteins form a complex that regulates the expression of other genes involved in various cellular processes. These clock genes are not only found in the SCN, but also in nearly every cell in our body. This means that each cell has its own intrinsic circadian clock, driven by the same molecular mechanisms. However, the SCN acts as the master pacemaker, synchronizing all these peripheral clocks to the external environment. The SCN communicates with the peripheral clocks through a variety of signaling pathways, including hormones, neurotransmitters, and electrical signals. These signals help to entrain the peripheral clocks to the master rhythm, ensuring that all the clocks are synchronized and working together in harmony. But what happens when these molecular mechanisms are disrupted? Mutations in clock genes have been linked to a variety of sleep disorders, including familial advanced sleep phase syndrome, in which individuals have a sleep-wake cycle that is significantly earlier than normal. These mutations can disrupt the normal cycling of clock genes, leading to misalignment of the circadian rhythm. Understanding the molecular mechanisms that drive our circadian clocks is crucial for developing new treatments for sleep disorders and other health problems associated with circadian disruption. Researchers are currently exploring a variety of approaches, including gene therapy, pharmacological interventions, and light therapy, to target these molecular mechanisms and restore normal circadian function. Now, let's turn our attention to the role of sleep in memory consolidation. Sleep is not just a period of rest and recuperation. It's also a critical time for the brain to process and consolidate memories. During sleep, the brain replays and strengthens newly acquired information, transferring it from short-term to long-term storage. There are several stages of sleep, each of which plays a different role in memory consolidation. Slow-wave sleep, also known as deep sleep, is particularly important for consolidating declarative memories, which are memories for facts and events. During slow-wave sleep, the brain replays these memories, strengthening the connections between neurons and making them more resistant to forgetting. REM sleep, also known as rapid eye movement sleep, is important for consolidating procedural memories, which are memories for skills and habits. During REM sleep, the brain is highly active, and there is an increase in neuronal firing in brain regions involved in motor learning. This activity helps to refine and consolidate motor skills, making them more automatic and efficient. Sleep deprivation can have a significant impact on memory consolidation. Studies have shown that even a single night of sleep deprivation can impair the ability to learn new information and consolidate existing memories. This is because sleep deprivation disrupts the normal cycling of clock genes and impairs the function of brain regions involved in memory processing. In addition to its role in memory consolidation, sleep also plays a role in emotional regulation. Sleep deprivation can lead to increased irritability, anxiety, and depression. This is because sleep deprivation disrupts the normal function of brain regions involved in emotional processing, such as the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex. The amygdala is responsible for processing emotions, particularly negative emotions such as fear and anger. Sleep deprivation can increase the activity of the amygdala, making us more reactive to negative stimuli and more likely to experience negative emotions. The prefrontal cortex, on the other hand, is responsible for regulating emotions and controlling impulses. Sleep deprivation can impair the function of the prefrontal cortex, making it more difficult to regulate our emotions and control our impulses. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining emotional well-being. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to allow your brain to process emotions and regulate mood. If you're struggling with sleep deprivation, try to prioritize sleep and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve your sleep quality. Now, let's explore the fascinating connection between sleep and the immune system. Sleep is not just important for brain function. It's also essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. During sleep, the immune system releases cytokines, which are proteins that help to fight infection and inflammation. Sleep deprivation can impair the function of the immune system, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Studies have shown that sleep-deprived individuals are more likely to catch a cold or the flu after being exposed to a virus. This is because sleep deprivation reduces the production of cytokines and impairs the function of immune cells. In addition to its effects on the immune system, sleep deprivation can also increase inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Getting enough sleep is essential for reducing inflammation and maintaining overall health. To support your immune system, aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. In addition to getting enough sleep, you can also support your immune system by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress. Now, let's discuss the role of sleep in physical performance. Sleep is not just important for mental and immune function. It's also essential for optimizing physical performance. During sleep, the body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue, replenishes energy stores, and releases growth hormone. Sleep deprivation can impair physical performance, reducing strength, endurance, and reaction time. Studies have shown that sleep-deprived athletes are more likely to experience injuries and have a slower recovery time. This is because sleep deprivation impairs muscle recovery and reduces the production of growth hormone. In addition to its effects on physical performance, sleep deprivation can also increase the risk of accidents. Sleep-deprived individuals are more likely to make mistakes and have slower reaction times, increasing the risk of car accidents and other types of accidents. Getting enough sleep is essential for staying safe and performing at your best. To optimize physical performance, aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. In addition to getting enough sleep, you can also improve your physical performance by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress. Now, let's explore the impact of caffeine and alcohol on sleep. Caffeine and alcohol are two of the most commonly consumed substances that can affect sleep. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with sleep, while alcohol is a depressant that can initially promote sleep, but can disrupt sleep later in the night. Caffeine blocks the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleepiness. This can make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Avoid consuming caffeine in the afternoon or evening to minimize its effects on sleep. Alcohol can initially promote sleep by inducing relaxation and reducing anxiety. However, as alcohol is metabolized, it can disrupt sleep later in the night, leading to fragmented sleep and early morning awakenings. Avoid consuming alcohol close to bedtime to minimize its effects on sleep. In addition to caffeine and alcohol, there are other substances that can affect sleep, including nicotine and certain medications. Talk to your doctor if you're concerned about the effects of any substances on your sleep. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of light exposure and its profound influence on our circadian rhythms. Light is arguably the most powerful external cue, or zeitgeber, that synchronizes our internal clock with the external environment. Specialized cells in the retina, called intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells, IPRGCs, are particularly sensitive to blue light and play a crucial role in this process. These cells project directly to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, our master clock, effectively communicating the presence or absence of light. Exposure to bright light, especially in the morning, helps to advance the circadian clock, making us feel more alert and awake earlier in the day. Conversely, exposure to bright light in the evening can delay the circadian clock, making it harder to fall asleep and shifting our natural sleep-wake cycle later. This is why the use of electronic devices emitting blue light before bed is often discouraged, as it can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt sleep. Melatonin, often dubbed the hormone of darkness, is produced by the pineal gland and plays a critical role in regulating sleep. Its production is inhibited by light and stimulated by darkness. As evening approaches and light diminishes, melatonin levels rise, signaling to the body that it's time to prepare for sleep. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment can optimize melatonin production and promote healthy sleep. Consider the impact of shift work on circadian rhythms. Individuals who work irregular hours or night shifts often experience chronic circadian misalignment, leading to a host of health problems, including sleep disorders, metabolic dysfunction, and increased risk of cardiovascular disease. This misalignment occurs because their internal clock is constantly being challenged by inconsistent light exposure and sleep schedules. Strategies to mitigate the effects of shift work include using light therapy to shift the circadian clock, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule as much as possible, and practicing good sleep hygiene. Furthermore, let's consider the influence of age on our circadian clocks. As we age, our circadian rhythms tend to weaken, leading to changes in sleep patterns. Older adults often experience earlier bedtimes and wake-up times, as well as more fragmented sleep. This is partly due to a decline in the sensitivity of the SCN to light and a decrease in melatonin production. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule, getting regular exercise, and ensuring adequate exposure to sunlight can help to strengthen circadian rhythms and improve sleep quality in older adults. Now, shifting gears slightly, let's explore the concept of social jet lag. Social jet lag refers to the discrepancy between our biological clock and our social clock. The sleep-wake schedule dictated by work, school, or social obligations. Many people experience social jet lag on weekends when they sleep in later than they do during the week. This can disrupt the circadian clock and lead to a host of negative consequences, including fatigue, mood disturbances, and impaired cognitive function. Minimizing social jet lag by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, can improve overall health and well-being. Finally, let's touch upon the emerging field of chronotherapy. Chronotherapy involves timing medical treatments, such as medication administration or chemotherapy, to coincide with the body's natural rhythms. Research suggests that chronotherapy can improve treatment efficacy and reduce side effects. For example, certain medications may be more effective or less toxic when administered at specific times of day, based on the circadian clock's influence on drug metabolism and target tissue sensitivity. This is a rapidly evolving area of research with the potential to revolutionize healthcare. As we gently approach the conclusion of our exploration into the fascinating world of circadian rhythms, let's consider the profound implications of understanding our internal clocks. Beyond simply knowing when we feel tired or alert, this knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about our health, productivity, and overall well-being. By aligning our daily routines with our natural rhythms, we can optimize our sleep, enhance our cognitive function, and improve our mood. Imagine a world where everyone understands their chronotype and structures their day accordingly. A world with less sleep deprivation, fewer mood disorders, and greater overall productivity. Furthermore, the study of chronobiology extends beyond individual well-being. It has implications for public health, workplace productivity, and even environmental sustainability. For example, understanding how light pollution affects circadian rhythms can inform strategies to minimize its impact on human health and wildlife. Similarly, optimizing work schedules based on circadian principles can improve employee performance and reduce workplace accidents. And by aligning energy consumption with natural light patterns, we can reduce our reliance on artificial lighting and promote energy conservation. Let's delve a little deeper into the practical applications of this knowledge. Think about the impact on education. Imagine schools structuring their schedules to align with the natural sleep-wake cycles of adolescence, allowing them to learn at their peak performance times. Or consider the potential benefits for athletes who could optimize their training and competition schedules based on their circadian rhythms to maximize performance and minimize the risk of injury. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, it's important to acknowledge that our understanding of circadian rhythms is still evolving. Scientists are constantly uncovering new insights into the complex interplay of genes, proteins, and environmental factors that govern our internal clocks. For example, research is ongoing to identify specific genes that influence chronotype and to develop personalized interventions to optimize circadian function. There's also growing interest in the role of the gut microbiome in regulating circadian rhythms, opening up new avenues for research and potential therapeutic interventions. One particularly exciting area of research is the development of pharmacological agents that can modulate circadian rhythms. These drugs, known as chronobiotics, have the potential to treat a wide range of conditions, including sleep disorders, mood disorders, and even metabolic disorders. For example, melatonin agonists are already used to treat insomnia and jet lag, and researchers are exploring the potential of other chronobiotics to treat conditions such as seasonal affective disorder and shift work disorder. However, it's important to note that these drugs are still under development, and more research is needed to fully understand their efficacy and safety. As we conclude, remember that your body clock is a powerful force that influences virtually every aspect of your physiology and behavior. By understanding how it works, you can take control of your health and well-being. Pay attention to your body's signals, establish a regular sleep schedule, and prioritize exposure to natural light. Experiment with different strategies to optimize your circadian rhythms and discover what works best for you. And most importantly, be patient and persistent. It takes time and effort to reset your body clock, but the rewards are well worth it. Sweet dreams, and may your circadian rhythms be ever in your favor. Good night. And speaking of the future, think about the potential for wearable technology. Imagine a world where sensors seamlessly integrated into our clothing or accessories continuously monitor our circadian rhythms, providing personalized feedback and guidance in real time. These devices could track our sleep-wake patterns, light exposure, activity levels, and even our core body temperature, using sophisticated algorithms to identify potential disruptions and suggest corrective actions. Perhaps your smartwatch could gently nudge you to dim the lights and power down your devices an hour before bedtime, or recommend a specific type of exercise based on your current circadian phase. This kind of personalized, data-driven approach could revolutionize the way we manage our sleep and optimize our overall health. Beyond personal applications, a deeper understanding of circadian rhythms also holds profound implications for public health. Consider the impact of shift work on millions of people around the world. Individuals who work irregular hours are at increased risk for a wide range of health problems, including sleep disorders, cardiovascular disease, metabolic disorders, and even certain types of cancer. By developing strategies to mitigate the negative effects of shift work, we could significantly improve the health and well-being of this vulnerable population. This might involve things like optimizing lighting in the workplace, providing access to strategic napping opportunities, or even developing personalized schedules that better align with individual chronotypes. Furthermore, the principles of chronobiology can be applied to optimize the timing of medical treatments. Chronotherapy, as it's known, involves administering medications at specific times of day to maximize their effectiveness and minimize their side effects. For example, some studies have shown that certain chemotherapy drugs are more effective when administered during specific phases of the circadian cycle. Similarly, the timing of blood pressure medication can have a significant impact on its effectiveness. As we learn more about the intricate interplay between circadian rhythms and drug metabolism, we can develop more precise and personalized treatment strategies. But let's not forget the importance of simplicity. While the science of circadian rhythms can be complex, the basic principles are surprisingly straightforward. Prioritize regular sleep, embrace natural light, and cultivate a mindful awareness of your body's natural rhythms. Even small changes like going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. Think of it as tuning an instrument. Just as a musician carefully adjusts the strings of a violin to achieve perfect harmony, you can fine-tune your daily habits to bring your body clock into alignment with a natural world. This is not about achieving perfection, but rather about striving for balance and harmony in your life. And finally, remember that sleep is not a luxury, but a fundamental human need. It's a time for your body and mind to rest, repair, and rejuvenate. By prioritizing sleep and respecting your body clock, you're investing in your long-term health and happiness. So, as you drift off to sleep tonight, take a moment to appreciate the intricate and remarkable biological clock that's ticking silently within you, orchestrating the symphony of life. Trust in its wisdom, listen to its signals, and allow it to guide you towards a healthier, more vibrant future. Sleep well, and as our understanding of the circadian clock deepens, so too does our appreciation for its influence on mental health. The disruption of circadian rhythms has been strongly linked to mood disorders such as depression and bipolar disorder. Shift work, for example, which often requires individuals to work during the night and sleep during the day, is associated with an increased risk of depression. Similarly, jet lag, which occurs when we rapidly cross multiple time zones, can disrupt our sleep-wake cycle and lead to feelings of fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. These experiences highlight the profound impact that our internal clock has on our emotional well-being. But the connection between circadian rhythms and mental health goes beyond just mood disorders. Research suggests that disturbances in the sleep-wake cycle may also play a role in anxiety disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and even neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. In fact, some scientists believe that the disruption of circadian rhythms may be an early warning sign of Alzheimer's, as sleep disturbances often precede the onset of cognitive decline. This underscores the importance of maintaining a healthy sleep schedule and seeking treatment for any sleep-related problems. Now, you might be wondering, what can you do to support your body clock and promote healthy sleep? Beyond establishing a regular sleep schedule and exposing yourself to natural light, there are several other strategies you can incorporate into your daily routine. Consider creating a relaxing bedtime ritual to help you wind down before sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Furthermore, pay attention to your diet and avoid consuming caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime. These substances can disrupt your sleep and prevent you from getting a restful night's sleep. Regular exercise is also beneficial for sleep, but avoid strenuous workouts in the evening, as they can be stimulating and make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, opt for gentle exercises like yoga or stretching. And perhaps most importantly, be patient with yourself. It takes time to retrain your body clock and establish healthy sleep habits. Don't get discouraged if you have occasional setbacks. Just keep striving for consistency and prioritize your sleep. Remember, your body clock is a powerful ally in your quest for health and well-being. By understanding its secrets and respecting its rhythms, you can unlock the potential for a happier, healthier, and more vibrant life. As the night deepens and the stars begin to shine, let your body clock guide you towards a peaceful and restorative slumber. Sweet dreams. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of chronobiology and explore some of the cutting-edge research that is currently underway. Scientists are continuously uncovering new insights into the intricate mechanisms of our internal clocks, and their findings have the potential to revolutionize the way we approach sleep disorders, mental health, and even cancer treatment. One particularly intriguing area of research involves the study of clock genes. These genes, present in virtually every cell in our body, play a crucial role in regulating the rhythmic expression of other genes, thereby orchestrating the daily fluctuations in various physiological processes. Researchers are working to identify and characterize these clock genes in different tissues and organs, with the aim of understanding how they interact with each other and how their function can be influenced by external factors such as light, temperature, and food intake. Another promising avenue of investigation involves the development of new therapies that target the circadian system. For example, scientists are exploring the use of chronotherapy, a treatment approach that involves administering medications at specific times of day to maximize their effectiveness and minimize side effects. This approach has shown particular promise in the treatment of cancer, as some cancer cells are more vulnerable to chemotherapy at certain times of day due to their own internal clocks. Furthermore, researchers are investigating the potential of light therapy to reset the body clock and alleviate sleep disorders such as jet lag and seasonal affective disorder. Light therapy involves exposing individuals to bright light for a specific period of time each day, which can help to shift the timing of their circadian rhythms and improve their sleep quality. The key is to understand the correct timing and intensity of light exposure to achieve the desired effect. Beyond these specific interventions, there's a growing recognition of the importance of personalized chronobiology. Just as individuals differ in their genetic makeup and lifestyle habits, they also differ in their chronotype, their natural inclination to be a morning person or an evening person. Understanding your own chronotype can help you to optimize your sleep schedule, work habits, and even your diet to align with your body's natural rhythms. There are various online questionnaires and apps that can help you to determine your chronotype, and this knowledge can be incredibly valuable in improving your overall well-being. Moreover, the impact of social jet lag, the discrepancy between our biological clock and our social schedule, is becoming increasingly recognized as a significant health issue. Many of us are forced to adhere to work schedules and social commitments that conflict with our natural sleep-wake patterns, leading to chronic sleep deprivation and a host of negative health consequences. By advocating for more flexible work arrangements and prioritizing our sleep, we can mitigate the harmful effects of social jet lag and promote a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. So, as you prepare to drift off to sleep tonight, remember that your body clock is working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy and functioning at your best. By respecting its rhythms and incorporating healthy sleep habits into your daily routine, you can unlock the power of your internal clock and experience the profound benefits of restful, restorative sleep. Let go of the day's worries and embrace the tranquility of the night. Allow your body clock to guide you into a deep and rejuvenating slumber, knowing that you are nourishing your mind, body, and spirit. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with peace and serenity. And now, let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of the cellular clock itself. Imagine, if you will, that within each of your trillions of cells, there's a tiny, intricate mechanism, like a microscopic watchmaker, constantly ticking away. This is, in essence, the molecular clock, a complex interplay of genes and proteins that cycle over a roughly 24-hour period. Scientists have identified specific clock genes, which, through a series of feedback loops, regulate their own expression and the expression of other genes involved in various cellular processes. These genes create proteins that accumulate over time, eventually reaching a threshold that triggers the production of other proteins, which then inhibit the initial genes, effectively resetting the clock for the next cycle. This cycle is not perfectly precise. It's usually a bit longer than 24 hours. That's where external cues, primarily light, come into play. Light, detected by specialized cells in the retina, travels along the retinohypothalamic tract to the SCN, our master clock. The SCN then synchronizes the cellular clocks throughout the body, ensuring that all our physiological processes are aligned with the external environment. This synchronization process is crucial for maintaining health and well-being. When the internal clocks are misaligned with the external world, as happens with jet lag or shift work, it can disrupt various bodily functions, leading to sleep problems, metabolic disorders, and even increased risk of certain diseases. Think about the implications for everything from medication timing to athletic performance. Certain medications are more effective when taken at specific times of day, aligning with the body's natural rhythms. For example, some blood pressure medications are more effective when taken at night, as blood pressure naturally dips during sleep. Similarly, athletes can optimize their performance by training and competing at times of day that align with their chronotype and the natural fluctuations in hormone levels and muscle strength. The field of chronopharmacology, the study of how drug responses vary according to biological time, is rapidly expanding, offering the potential for more personalized and effective treatments. Chronobiology also offers insights into optimizing athletic training and recovery. It's also worth considering the role of other environmental factors beyond light. While light is the most potent synchronizer, other cues such as meal times, social interactions, and even exercise can also influence our body clocks. For instance, regular meal times can help to entrain the peripheral clocks in the digestive system, ensuring that digestive processes are aligned with food intake. Similarly, consistent social interactions and routines can help to regulate the sleep-wake cycle and promote a sense of stability and predictability. Even the temperature of our environment can play a subtle role in influencing our circadian rhythms. Furthermore, consider the potential for chronobiological interventions to address a range of health conditions. Light therapy, for example, is widely used to treat seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of depression that occurs during the winter months when there is less natural sunlight. By exposing individuals to bright light in the morning, light therapy can help to shift the circadian clock and alleviate symptoms of depression. Chronotherapy, the strategic timing of treatments based on the body's natural rhythms, is also being explored for the treatment of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and other conditions. By understanding how these rhythms influence disease processes and drug responses, we can develop more targeted and effective therapies. So, as you continue to relax and prepare for sleep, contemplate the intricate choreography unfolding within you. The silent symphony of your body clock, orchestrating countless processes with remarkable precision. Appreciate the power of light, the importance of routine, and the potential for personalized chronobiology to enhance your health and well-being. Let these thoughts lull you into a state of peaceful awareness, allowing your body clock to guide you into a deep and restorative sleep. Embrace the darkness, knowing that it is essential for the proper functioning of your internal rhythms. Release any remaining tension or stress, and allow yourself to drift off into a world of dreams, knowing that your body is working tirelessly to rejuvenate and restore you. Sleep well, and may your night be filled with tranquility and peace. And as you drift deeper into sleep, consider the fascinating interplay between your body clock and the world around you. The Earth's rotation, the changing seasons, the subtle shifts in light and darkness. All of these external cues constantly interact with your internal rhythms, shaping and molding them in ways that are both profound and subtle. Think about how our ancestors lived, attuned to the rhythms of nature, their lives dictated by the rising and setting of the sun. While modern life often shields us from these natural cues, their influence remains deeply ingrained within us. Perhaps you've experienced the phenomenon of jet lag, a stark reminder of the power of your circadian clock. When you travel across time zones, your internal clock becomes misaligned with the external environment, leading to feelings of fatigue, disorientation, and digestive upset. This is because your body's various rhythms, from sleep-wake cycles to hormone release to digestive processes are all struggling to adjust to the new time zone. Over time, your body clock will gradually reset itself. But until then, you may experience the unpleasant symptoms of jet lag. Understanding the science behind jet lag can help you to minimize its effects. Strategies such as gradually adjusting your sleep schedule before your trip, exposing yourself to light at the appropriate times, and using melatonin supplements can help to speed up the process of resetting your internal clock. And beyond jet lag, consider the impact of shift work on your circadian rhythms. Individuals who work irregular or night shifts often experience chronic disruptions to their body clocks, leading to a range of health problems, including sleep disorders, metabolic dysfunction, and increased risk of cardiovascular disease. This is because shift work forces the body to operate at times when it is naturally inclined to rest, disrupting the delicate balance of hormones and other physiological processes. If you're a shift worker, it's especially important to prioritize sleep hygiene, maintain a consistent sleep schedule as much as possible, and seek out strategies to minimize the impact of shift work on your health. Furthermore, remember that your body clock is not just a single entity, but rather a complex network of interconnected clocks operating throughout your body. While the master clock in the brain plays a central role in coordinating these rhythms, each cell in your body also possesses its own internal clock, capable of oscillating independently. These peripheral clocks are influenced by a variety of factors, including light, food intake, and physical activity. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and consistent sleep habits can help to keep all of these clocks synchronized and functioning optimally. As you continue to relax and breathe deeply, visualize your body clock as a finely tuned instrument capable of orchestrating a symphony of biological processes with remarkable precision. Appreciate the complexity and elegance of this internal time-keeping system, and recognize its profound influence on your health and well-being. Let go of any worries or concerns, and allow yourself to be guided by the natural rhythms of your body. Trust that your internal clock knows how to guide you into a deep and restorative sleep. Allow your mind to quiet, your body to relax, and your spirit to soar. Sleep well, and may your dreams be filled with peace and tranquility. Embrace the night, knowing that it is a time of healing, renewal, and rejuvenation. Let the darkness envelop you, and allow yourself to drift off into a world of dreams, knowing that your body is working tirelessly to restore and revitalize you. Sweet dreams. And as you drift further into slumber, consider the fascinating interplay between your internal clocks and the external world. Think about the rising and setting of the sun, the changing seasons, and the subtle shifts in light and temperature that our ancestors relied upon to regulate their lives. While modern life often shields us from these natural cues, they still exert a powerful influence on our physiology. Making a conscious effort to reconnect with these rhythms, perhaps by spending time outdoors during the day, exposing yourself to natural light, or adjusting your activities to align with the seasons, can have a profound impact on your sleep and overall well-being. Furthermore, remember that the science of chronobiology is a rapidly evolving field, with new discoveries being made all the time. Researchers are continually uncovering new insights into the intricate mechanisms that govern our body clocks and exploring innovative ways to harness this knowledge to improve human health. From developing new treatments for sleep disorders to optimizing the timing of medication delivery, the potential applications of chronobiology are vast and far-reaching. So as you sleep, know that scientists are working tirelessly to unlock even more secrets of your body clock, paving the way for a future where we can all live in greater harmony with our internal rhythms. Now, let your thoughts gently fade away as you focus on your breath. Each inhale brings a sense of calm and relaxation, while each exhale releases any remaining tension or stress. Imagine your body as a vessel, filled with a soothing, golden light that emanates from your core and radiates outwards, enveloping every cell and tissue. Feel the gentle warmth spreading throughout your limbs, easing any aches or discomfort. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a state of profound relaxation, surrendering to the embrace of sleep. Consider the incredible resilience of your body, its capacity to heal and regenerate as you rest. As you sleep, your immune system is working diligently to fight off infections. Your muscles are repairing and rebuilding, and your brain is consolidating memories and processing information. Sleep is not merely a period of inactivity, but rather an essential time for restoration and renewal. Embrace this opportunity to allow your body to do its work, trusting in its innate wisdom and its ability to heal. And finally, as you transition into the realm of dreams, remember that your subconscious mind is a powerful force, capable of processing emotions, solving problems, and sparking creativity. Allow your dreams to be a source of inspiration and insight, a window into your inner world. Let go of any expectations or judgments, and simply observe the images and narratives that unfold. Trust that your dreams will guide you towards greater understanding and self-discovery. Let your mind wander freely, exploring the boundless landscapes of your imagination. Sweet dreams await you. May your night be filled with peace, tranquility, and the restorative power of sleep. Allow yourself to drift away now, knowing that you are safe, secure, and deeply cared for. Good night, as you drift further into slumber. Think about the intricate dance of hormones orchestrating your sleep. Melatonin, the hormone of darkness, rises to lull you into sleep, while cortisol, the hormone of alertness, gently recedes. These hormonal shifts are not random. They're precisely timed by your master clock in the brain, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. This tiny cluster of neurons acts as the conductor of your internal orchestra, ensuring that all your bodily processes are synchronized with the 24-hour day. It receives direct input from your eyes, sensing the presence or absence of light, and then relays this information to the rest of your body, influencing everything from your sleep-wake cycle to your appetite and mood. Imagine the SCN as a sophisticated timekeeper, constantly monitoring and adjusting your internal rhythms to maintain optimal health and well-being. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability of the human body, its ability to synchronize with the external world while maintaining its own internal sense of time. And it's not just the SCN that's keeping time. Every single cell in your body possesses its own internal clock, a molecular mechanism that governs its activity throughout the day. These cellular clocks are like individual instruments in the orchestra, each playing its own tune, but all synchronized by the conductor, the SCN. These peripheral clocks, as they're called, are found in your liver, your heart, your muscles, and even your skin. They regulate a wide range of cellular processes, from gene expression to protein synthesis, ensuring that each cell is performing its functions at the right time of day. This intricate coordination is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing disease. When these clocks are disrupted, whether by shift work, jet lag, or irregular sleep patterns, it can lead to a cascade of negative consequences, including metabolic disorders, immune dysfunction, and even increased risk of cancer. So, as you lie here, breathing deeply and feeling the gentle rhythm of your body, appreciate the incredible complexity and precision of your internal clock. It's a silent symphony playing within you, a testament to the power of evolution and the interconnectedness of all living things. And remember that you can support your body clock by maintaining a regular sleep schedule, exposing yourself to natural light during the day, and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. These simple steps can have a profound impact on your health and well-being, allowing you to live in greater harmony with your internal rhythms. Feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation with every breath. The world outside fades away, and the realm of sleep beckons. Let go of any remaining thoughts or worries, and allow yourself to be carried away by the gentle current of slumber. The night is yours. Rest now. And as you drift further into the embrace of sleep, consider the profound implications of this internal time-keeping system. It's not merely about feeling tired or awake. It's about the fundamental orchestration of life itself. Think about the intricate dance of hormones, rising and falling in precise patterns throughout the day and night. Cortisol, the stress hormone, peaks in the morning to help you wake up and face the day, while melatonin, the sleep hormone, surges in the evening, preparing your body for rest. These hormonal fluctuations are governed by your circadian clock, ensuring that your body is primed for action when it needs to be and ready for repair when it's time to sleep. Beyond hormones, your body clock also influences your metabolism, your immune system, and even your cognitive function. Studies have shown that people who are morning larks tend to perform better on cognitive tasks in the morning, while night owls often excel in the evening. This is because their internal clocks are naturally aligned with these different times of day, optimizing their brain function accordingly. Similarly, your immune system is more active during the day, when you're more likely to encounter pathogens, and less active at night, when your body is focused on repair and regeneration. This daily rhythm of immune activity is also controlled by your circadian clock, ensuring that your body is ready to defend itself when it needs to be. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the body clock is its connection to our mental and emotional well-being. Disruptions to our circadian rhythms have been linked to a higher risk of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. This is because the SCN, the master clock in the brain, is closely connected to the limbic system, the part of the brain that regulates emotions. When the SCN is out of sync, it can disrupt the normal functioning of the limbic system, leading to emotional instability. That's why maintaining a regular sleep schedule and exposing yourself to natural light can be so beneficial for your mental health. By aligning your internal clock with the external world, you can help to stabilize your mood and reduce your risk of emotional distress. So, as you surrender to the pull of sleep, remember that you're not just resting your body. You're also resetting your internal clock. You're giving yourselves a chance to repair and regenerate, your hormones a chance to balance, and your brain a chance to consolidate memories and process emotions. Sleep is not just a period of inactivity. It's an essential process for maintaining your physical, mental, and emotional health. Allow yourself to drift away now, knowing that you're taking care of yourself in the deepest and most fundamental way. Let the darkness envelop you, and let the gentle rhythm of your breath guide you into the realm of dreams. You are safe, you are calm, and you're loved. Sweet dreams. And as you drift deeper into slumber, consider the remarkable precision of your body clock. It's not just a general sense of time. It's a highly specific and finely tuned system that operates on a cellular level. Each of your trillions of cells contains its own clock, a miniature timekeeping device that regulates its activity according to the time of day. These cellular clocks are synchronized with a master clock in the brain, the SCN, through a complex network of signaling molecules and neural pathways. This intricate coordination ensures that all of your body systems are working together in harmony, optimizing your health and well-being. Think of these cellular clocks as tiny musicians in a vast orchestra, each playing its own instrument according to a precise score. The SCN is the conductor, ensuring that all the musicians are playing in time and in tune. When the orchestra is in sync, the music is beautiful and harmonious. But when the orchestra is out of sync, the music is dissonant and chaotic. Similarly, when your cellular clocks are synchronized, your body functions smoothly and efficiently. But when your cellular clocks are disrupted, your body can experience a wide range of problems, from fatigue and digestive issues to mood disorders and chronic diseases. The beauty of this system is its adaptability. Your body clock is not fixed and immutable. It's constantly adjusting to the changing environment. Light is the primary cue that resets your clock each day. But other factors, such as meal times, exercise, and social interactions, can also influence its rhythm. This flexibility allows you to adapt to different time zones, shift work, and other disruptions to your normal routine. However, it's important to remember that your body clock is most stable when it's aligned with the natural world. That's why maintaining a regular sleep schedule, exposing yourself to natural light during the day, and avoiding screens before bed can be so beneficial for your health. So tonight, as you rest, allow yourself to appreciate the incredible complexity and precision of your body clock. It's a silent, invisible force that governs your every waking and sleeping moment, orchestrating a symphony of biological processes that keep you alive and healthy. By understanding and respecting your body clock, you can take control of your health and well-being, optimizing your energy, mood, and performance. Let the knowledge of this inner rhythm soothe you as you fall asleep, knowing that your body is working tirelessly to keep you in balance. Breathe deeply, release any tension, and allow yourself to drift into a peaceful and restorative sleep. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with the wonders of science and the serenity of slumber. And as you drift off, consider the profound implications of this internal timekeeper. It's not just about sleep. It's about optimizing every aspect of your life. Think about the timing of your meals. Eating at regular times, particularly earlier in the day, can strengthen your circadian rhythms and improve metabolic health. Late night snacking, on the other hand, can throw your clock out of whack, leading to weight gain and other health problems. Similarly, exercise is most beneficial when it's aligned with your body clock. Studies have shown that working out in the morning can boost alertness and improve sleep quality, while exercising too close to bedtime can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Even your mental and emotional well-being are intimately connected to your circadian rhythms. Disruptions to your body clock have been linked to increased rates of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. This is because the same neurotransmitters that regulate sleep, such as serotonin and dopamine, also play a crucial role in mood regulation. When your sleep is disrupted, these neurotransmitter systems can become imbalanced, leading to mood swings and other emotional problems. Therefore, prioritizing a regular sleep schedule and creating a sleep-friendly environment can be a powerful tool for improving your mental and emotional health. Consider the ancient wisdom of aligning your activities with the natural rhythms of the day. Our ancestors lived in closer harmony with the sun and moon, and their bodies were naturally synchronized with the Earth's rotation. In our modern world, we are often bombarded with artificial light and distractions that can disrupt our natural rhythms. By making a conscious effort to reconnect with nature, by spending time outdoors during the day and creating a dark and quiet sleep environment at night, we can restore balance to our body clocks and improve our overall health. And as you continue to relax, let's delve a little deeper into the science. Researchers are still uncovering the intricate details of how our cellular clocks work. But one thing is clear: they are incredibly complex and sophisticated. Scientists are exploring the role of specific genes and proteins that regulate circadian rhythms, and they are developing new therapies that can target these pathways to treat sleep disorders and other health problems. For example, chronotherapy, which involves timing the administration of medications to coincide with the body's natural rhythms, is showing promise for treating a variety of conditions, including cancer and cardiovascular disease. The future of chronobiology is bright, with exciting new discoveries on the horizon. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our internal timekeepers, we will gain a deeper understanding of how to optimize our health and well-being. So, as you drift deeper into sleep, remember that you are part of a vast and interconnected system, a symphony of biological processes that are constantly working to keep you alive and healthy. Trust in the wisdom of your body and allow yourself to surrender to the restorative power of sleep. Let the gentle rhythm of your breath guide you into a realm of peace and tranquility. Sleep well, and may your dreams be filled with the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Good night, and as you rest, consider this. Your body clock isn't just about sleep. It influences so much more. Think about digestion, for instance. The timing of your meals, guided by your circadian rhythms, affects how efficiently your body processes food. Eating at irregular hours, especially late at night, can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to digestive discomfort and potentially contributing to weight gain. The same principle applies to hormone production. Hormones like cortisol, often called the stress hormone, follow a distinct daily rhythm, peaking in the morning to help you wake up and gradually declining throughout the day. Disrupting this rhythm through irregular sleep patterns can throw your hormonal balance off kilter, impacting everything from your mood and energy levels to your immune function. Even your cardiovascular system is under the influence of your internal clock. Blood pressure and heart rate naturally fluctuate throughout the day, preparing you for activity during daylight hours and slowing down during sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation or shift work can disrupt these rhythms, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, you see, paying attention to your body clock is not just about getting a good night's sleep. It's about optimizing your overall health and well-being. Let's also reflect on the fascinating connection between our body clocks and the seasons. Many animals exhibit seasonal behaviors, such as hibernation or migration, that are driven by changes in day length. While humans don't hibernate, we are still influenced by the seasons. For example, many people experience seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of depression that occurs during the winter months when there is less sunlight. This condition is thought to be related to disruptions in circadian rhythms caused by reduced exposure to natural light. Even subtle changes in our mood, energy levels, and sleep patterns can be influenced by the changing seasons. Understanding this interconnectedness can help us to make informed choices about our lifestyle. Prioritizing regular sleep, spending time outdoors, and eating meals at consistent times can help to strengthen our circadian rhythms and improve our resilience to seasonal changes. Think of your body clock as a conductor of an orchestra, orchestrating a complex symphony of biological processes. By providing it with the right cues and support, you can help it to perform its job more effectively, leading to greater harmony and balance in your life. And as you continue to unwind, remember that you have the power to influence your body clock for the better. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by creating a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and waking up at the same time each day. even on weekends. Expose yourself to bright light in the morning to help reset your circadian rhythm, and avoid screens and artificial light in the evening. Practice relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation, to calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. It takes time for your body clock to adjust to new routines, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just allow yourself to be guided by the natural rhythms within you. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the steady beat of your heart, the quiet hum of your cells working in harmony. You are a marvel of nature, a testament to the power of life. Embrace the stillness, surrender to the peace, and allow yourself to drift into the deep, restorative embrace of sleep. May your dreams be sweet, and may you awaken refreshed and renewed. Sweet dreams. And now let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of the molecules that actually drive these circadian rhythms. These aren't just abstract concepts. They are tangible, interacting proteins within your cells. Imagine a tiny, intricate dance happening inside each and every one of you. The core of this dance involves a handful of key genes and the proteins they produce. Genes like period, PER, cryptochrome, cry, clock, and BMAL1 are the main players. Think of clock and BMAL1 as the initiators. They bind together and act as a transcription factor, a kind of molecular switch that turns on the period and cryptochrome genes. As the levels of PER and cry proteins rise, they eventually form a complex that acts as a feedback inhibitor. This complex then travels back into the nucleus of the cell and shuts down the activity of the clock and BMAL1 proteins, effectively turning off their own production. This process isn't instantaneous. It takes time for the PER and cry proteins to build up and then to inhibit the clock and BMAL1 complex. And this delay is crucial. It's this slow, rhythmic rise and fall of these protein levels that creates the approximately 24-hour cycle. When the PER and cry proteins are eventually degraded, the clock and BMAL1 complex is free to start the cycle all over again. This creates a self-sustaining, oscillating loop. Now, you might be wondering, how is this molecular clock synchronized with the outside world? That's where light comes in. Light, detected by specialized cells in the retina of your eye, travels along a pathway called the retinohypothalamic tract directly to the SCN and the hypothalamus, your master clock. This light signal triggers a cascade of events that ultimately affect the expression of those clock genes. Specifically, light can promote the degradation of certain proteins that inhibit the expression of the period genes, effectively resetting the clock to match the external light-dark cycle. But it's not just light. Other environmental cues, such as meal times, exercise, and social interactions, can also influence your circadian rhythms, although they tend to have a weaker effect than light. These cues are sometimes referred to as Zeitgebers, which is German for time givers. They act as secondary synchronizers, fine-tuning your internal clock to match your daily routine. Disruptions to this delicate system can have far-reaching consequences. Shift work, jet lag, and even inconsistent sleep schedules can desynchronize your internal clock from the external environment, leading to a variety of health problems. These can include sleep disorders, mood disorders, metabolic problems like weight gain and diabetes, and even an increased risk of certain cancers. That's why maintaining a regular sleep schedule and minimizing exposure to artificial light at night are so important for your overall health and well-being. Consider the implications for jet lag. When you travel across time zones, your body clock is suddenly out of sync with the local time. It takes time for your SCN to adjust to the new light-dark cycle. During this adjustment period, you may experience fatigue, insomnia, digestive problems, and difficulty concentrating. The severity of jet lag depends on the number of time zones crossed and the direction of travel. Traveling eastward is generally more difficult than traveling westward because it requires your body clock to advance, which is harder than delaying it. And it's not just about feeling tired. Chronic circadian disruption can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. It can also affect your hormone levels, disrupting your appetite and metabolism. In fact, researchers are increasingly recognizing the importance of circadian rhythms in a wide range of physiological processes, from immune function to cardiovascular health. So, as you settle in for the night, take a moment to appreciate the intricate and elegant system that is working silently within you, keeping time and orchestrating your body's rhythms. You're a walking, talking, breathing clock, finely tuned to the rhythms of the earth. And by understanding and respecting your body clock, you can take steps to improve your sleep, your health, and your overall well-being. Let your body's natural rhythms guide you to a peaceful and restful night. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and allow the symphony of your internal clock to lull you into a deep and restorative sleep. Good night, and remember, the science of sleep and circadian rhythms is a constantly evolving field. Researchers are continually uncovering new insights into the intricate workings of our internal clocks and their impact on our health. One fascinating area of ongoing research focuses on the role of genetics in determining our chronotype, or our natural preference for being a morning person or a night owl. Studies have identified specific genes that influence the timing of our internal clocks, explaining why some people naturally wake up early and feel most alert in the morning, while others prefer to stay up late and feel more productive in the evening. Understanding your own chronotype can be incredibly helpful in optimizing your sleep schedule and daily routine to align with your natural rhythms. Beyond genetics, lifestyle factors also play a significant role in shaping our circadian rhythms. Exposure to natural light, regular exercise, and consistent meal times can all help to strengthen and synchronize our internal clocks. Conversely, irregular sleep schedules, excessive screen time, and unhealthy dietary habits can disrupt our circadian rhythms and lead to sleep problems. It's a delicate balance, and finding what works best for you may require some experimentation. Think about the power of a morning walk. The exposure to sunlight in the morning helps to suppress melatonin production, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy and signals to your brain that it's time to be awake and alert. This, in turn, can help to regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve your sleep quality. Similarly, regular exercise, especially in the morning or early afternoon, can help to boost your energy levels during the day and promote better sleep at night. Just be sure to avoid intense workouts close to bedtime, as they can have a stimulating effect that makes it harder to fall asleep. Even something as simple as establishing a consistent bedtime routine can make a big difference. This could involve taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. The key is to create a calming and predictable environment that signals to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Avoid using electronic devices in bed, as the blue light emitted from screens can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt your sleep. Furthermore, consider the impact of your diet on your sleep. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to regulate your circadian rhythms and promote restful sleep. Avoid consuming caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime, as these substances can disrupt your sleep patterns. It's also important to avoid eating large meals right before bed, as this can lead to indigestion and discomfort that can interfere with sleep. The power of darkness cannot be overstated. Ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool is crucial for promoting optimal sleep. Darkness stimulates the production of melatonin, which helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. Consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any unwanted light. A quiet environment minimizes distractions and allows you to relax and drift off to sleep more easily. And a cool room temperature, typically between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, is ideal for promoting sleep. So, tonight, as you drift off to sleep, remember the incredible complexity and beauty of your internal clock. It's a silent symphony playing within you, orchestrating your body's rhythms and keeping you in sync with the world around you. By understanding and respecting your circadian rhythms, you can take control of your sleep, your health, and your overall well-being. Allow the gentle rhythm of your breath to slow and deepen. Feel the tension melting away from your muscles. Let the darkness envelop you and allow your body to surrender to the peace and tranquility of sleep. Sweet dreams. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of light and its profound influence on our circadian rhythms. It's not just the presence or absence of light that matters, but also the type of light. As we mentioned earlier, blue light from electronic devices can suppress melatonin production, but the sun's natural light is essential for synchronizing our internal clock. Exposure to sunlight, especially in the morning, helps to reinforce the sleep-wake cycle, signaling to your brain that it's daytime and time to be alert. This helps to regulate the timing of your melatonin release later in the evening, making it easier to fall asleep. Think of it as setting the stage for a good night's rest right from the moment you wake up. Consider incorporating a morning walk into your routine, even on cloudy days. The ambient light, even if it's diffused, can still have a positive impact. If that's not possible, try to position your workspace near a window or use a light therapy lamp that mimics natural sunlight. These lamps can be particularly helpful during the winter months when daylight hours are shorter. Just be sure to use them in the morning or early afternoon to avoid disrupting your sleep later on. The key is to provide your body with a strong, consistent signal of light during the day to reinforce your natural circadian rhythm. Beyond light and darkness, the timing of your meals can also influence your body clock. Our digestive system has its own circadian rhythms, and eating at regular intervals helps to keep these rhythms in sync. Try to eat your meals around the same time each day, and avoid skipping meals, especially breakfast. Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day because it helps to kickstart your metabolism and signal to your body that it's time to be awake and active. A consistent eating schedule can help to stabilize your blood sugar levels, which can also improve your sleep quality. Furthermore, think about the timing of your exercise. Regular physical activity is beneficial for overall health and can also improve sleep quality. However, exercising too close to bedtime can be stimulating and make it difficult to fall asleep. Aim to exercise earlier in the day, ideally in the morning or afternoon. This allows your body temperature to return to normal before you go to bed, promoting relaxation and sleep. Even a short walk or some light stretching can be beneficial, but avoid intense workouts in the evening. Finally, let's touch upon the role of social interaction in regulating our circadian rhythms. Social cues, such as interacting with others and engaging in social activities, can also help to synchronize our internal clock. Spending time with friends and family, participating in social events, or even simply having a conversation with someone can provide your brain with important signals about the time of day. This is especially important for people who work irregular hours or travel frequently, as social interaction can help to mitigate the disruptive effects of these activities on their circadian rhythms. So, make time for social connection, even if it's just a brief phone call or a quick chat with a neighbor. It can have a surprisingly positive impact on your sleep and overall well-being. And as you continue to relax, let your mind wander, exploring the vast landscape of your imagination. Allow any thoughts or worries to gently float away like clouds in the sky. You are safe, you are calm, you are at peace. Sleep well. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of light and its profound influence on our circadian rhythms. We've already touched upon the importance of sunlight, but it's worth exploring the nuances of artificial light and how it can either help or hinder our sleep. Think about the devices that surround us every day: smartphones, tablets, computers. They all emit blue light, a type of light that is particularly effective at suppressing melatonin production. Melatonin, as we've discussed, is the hormone that promotes sleepiness. So, when we expose ourselves to blue light in the evening, we're essentially telling our brains that it's not time to sleep yet. Therefore, consider implementing strategies to minimize your exposure to blue light in the hours leading up to bedtime. Many devices now have built-in blue light filters or night mode settings that shift the color temperature of the screen to a warmer, more orange hue. You can also download apps or purchase blue light blocking glasses. These simple measures can make a significant difference in your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Beyond blue light, consider the overall brightness of your environment in the evening. Dimming the lights in your home can signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Use lamps with lower wattage bulbs and avoid overhead lighting if possible. Creating a cozy and dimly lit atmosphere can help to promote relaxation and prepare your body for sleep. Think of it as creating your own personal sunset, signaling the end of the day and the beginning of your nightly rest. Let's also consider the powerful role of temperature. Our body temperature naturally fluctuates throughout the day, following a circadian rhythm of its own. It typically peaks in the late afternoon and gradually declines as we approach bedtime. This decrease in body temperature is a crucial signal for sleep onset. You can help to facilitate this process by ensuring that your bedroom is cool and comfortable. The ideal temperature for sleep is generally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.5 to 19.4 degrees Celsius. Experiment to find the temperature that works best for you. A cool room helps to lower your core body temperature, making it easier to fall asleep. You can also take a warm bath or shower before bed. While this may seem counterintuitive, the warm water actually causes your blood vessels to dilate, which helps to release heat from your body. As your body cools down afterwards, it can trigger feelings of sleepiness. Think of it as a gentle nudge, encouraging your body to embrace the tranquility of sleep. Now, let's turn our attention to the impact of stress on our circadian rhythms and sleep. Stress is a common culprit behind sleep disturbances. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a stress hormone that can interfere with sleep. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential for maintaining healthy sleep patterns. Consider incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. Even just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a significant difference in your stress levels and sleep quality. Practice progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and releasing different muscle groups in your body, starting with your toes and working your way up to your head. This technique can help to release physical tension and promote relaxation. Or try guided imagery. This involves visualizing a peaceful and calming scene, such as a beach or a forest. Focus on the details of the scene, such as the sounds, smells, and sensations. This can help to distract your mind from racing thoughts and promote a sense of tranquility. Remember, establishing a consistent sleep schedule, optimizing your light exposure, managing your temperature, and reducing stress are all powerful tools for unlocking the secrets of your body clock and improving your sleep. These simple yet effective strategies can help you to synchronize your internal rhythms with the external world, leading to deeper, more restful sleep and improved overall well-being. So, embrace these practices and allow yourself to drift off into a peaceful slumber, knowing that you're taking care of your body and mind. As you breathe deeply and slowly, feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Let go of any tension or worries and allow yourself to be carried away by the gentle waves of sleep. You are safe, you are comfortable, you are at peace. Sweet dreams. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of hormones and their intricate dance with our circadian rhythms. Melatonin, as we touched upon earlier, is the star of the night, orchestrating the onset of sleep. But its production is exquisitely sensitive to light. This is why minimizing exposure to blue light from screens before bed is so crucial. Blue light mimics daylight, effectively telling your brain to halt melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and disrupting your sleep cycle. Consider using blue light filters on your devices, or even better, avoiding screens altogether in the hours leading up to bedtime. Instead, opt for relaxing activities like reading a physical book, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath. Beyond melatonin, cortisol also plays a significant role, although its influence is more prominent during the day. Cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone, is naturally higher in the morning, helping us to wake up and feel alert. However, chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels throughout the day and night, disrupting sleep and contributing to feelings of anxiety and restlessness. This is where stress management techniques become even more vital. Deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, and gentle yoga can help to regulate cortisol levels and promote a sense of calm, paving the way for a more restful night's sleep. And what about the role of food? What you eat, and when you eat it, can also influence your circadian rhythm. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime, as digestion can interfere with sleep. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're feeling hungry, such as a small bowl of oatmeal or a handful of nuts. Certain foods, like those rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce melatonin, may also promote sleep. Turkey, for example, is often associated with sleepiness, although the effect is usually mild. Consider also the impact of caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine is a stimulant that can stay in your system for several hours, disrupting sleep even if you consume it earlier in the day. Alcohol, while it may initially make you feel drowsy, can actually disrupt your sleep later in the night, leading to fragmented sleep and early morning awakenings. It's best to avoid both caffeine and alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime to ensure a more restful sleep. Furthermore, think about creating a sanctuary for sleep. Your bedroom should be a cool, dark, and quiet space. Invest in blackout curtains to block out any external light. Use earplugs or a white noise machine to minimize noise and keep the temperature comfortably cool. A comfortable mattress and pillows are also essential for supporting your body and promoting relaxation. By creating a sleep-friendly environment, you're signaling to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Ultimately, understanding and respecting your body clock is about listening to your body's natural rhythms and creating habits that support healthy sleep. It's a journey of self-discovery, where you learn to identify what works best for you and create a personalized sleep routine that promotes restful sleep and overall well-being. So, continue to explore these practices, experiment with different techniques, and find what helps you to synchronize your internal rhythms with the external world. As you lie in bed, feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. Let go of any thoughts or worries, and allow yourself to drift off into a peaceful slumber, knowing that you are nurturing your body and mind. You are calm, You are relaxed, you are ready to sleep. Sweet dreams await. And as you drift further into this state of relaxation, let's consider the role of light exposure, particularly in the morning. Exposing yourself to bright light, ideally sunlight, soon after waking up helps to solidify your circadian rhythm. This morning light acts as a powerful signal to your brain, suppressing melatonin production and signaling the start of your day. It's like hitting a reset button on your internal clock, helping to synchronize it with the 24-hour cycle of the Earth. Even on cloudy days, try to get outside for at least a few minutes to benefit from the ambient light. If that's not possible, consider using a light therapy lamp, which mimics the effects of natural sunlight. These lamps can be particularly helpful during the winter months when daylight hours are shorter. Beyond the morning light, it's equally important to manage your light exposure in the evening. As the sun sets, your body begins to produce melatonin, preparing you for sleep. However, exposure to artificial light, especially the blue light emitted from screens, can interfere with this process. Blue light suppresses melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and disrupting your sleep quality. In the hours leading up to bedtime, try to dim the lights in your home and avoid using electronic devices as much as possible. If you must use screens, consider using blue light filters or apps that reduce the amount of blue light emitted. You can also adjust the color temperature of your screens to a warmer setting, which emits less blue light. Furthermore, think about the timing of your meals. Eating meals at consistent times each day can help to regulate your circadian rhythm. Your digestive system also has its own internal clock, and eating at irregular times can disrupt this clock, leading to digestive issues and sleep problems. Try to eat your meals around the same time each day, and avoid eating large meals close to bedtime. Giving your body enough time to digest your food before you go to sleep can improve your sleep quality. A light snack before bed, such as a small bowl of oatmeal or a piece of fruit, may be helpful for some people, but avoid sugary or fatty foods that can disrupt sleep. Let's also touch upon the importance of regular physical activity. Exercise can have a profound impact on your sleep quality. Regular exercise can help to reduce stress, improve mood, and promote relaxation, all of which can contribute to better sleep. However, it's important to time your exercise properly. Avoid intense exercise close to bedtime, as it can be stimulating and make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, try to exercise earlier in the day, giving your body enough time to wind down before bed. Even a short walk in the afternoon can be beneficial for your sleep. And as you continue to relax, remember that consistency is key when it comes to regulating your body clock. Sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, can help to reinforce your circadian rhythm. This means going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even if you don't feel like it. It may take some time to adjust to a new sleep schedule, but the benefits of a consistent sleep routine are well worth the effort. Your body will thank you for it. Now, focus on your breathing once more. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension that you may be holding on to. With each breath, you are becoming more and more relaxed. You are safe, you are comfortable, you are at peace. Allow yourself to drift further into sleep. knowing that you have taken steps to support your body clock and promote healthy sleep. The secrets of your inner timekeeper are slowly being revealed, leading you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the rhythms that govern your life. Sweet dreams, and may your sleep be restful and restorative. And as we prepare to fully embrace the tranquility of sleep, let's consider the fascinating role of light in regulating our circadian rhythms. Light, especially sunlight, is the most powerful cue for synchronizing our internal clock with the external world. When light enters our eyes, it sends signals directly to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, as seen the master clock in the brain. This, in turn, influences the release of hormones like melatonin, which promotes sleepiness, and cortisol, which promotes wakefulness. Think of light as the conductor of an orchestra, orchestrating the timing of various biological processes throughout your body. Exposure to bright light during the day, particularly in the morning, can help to reinforce your circadian rhythm and promote alertness. On the other hand, exposure to artificial light in the evening, especially the blue light emitted from electronic devices like smartphones and tablets, can suppress melatonin production and make it harder to fall asleep. Consider dimming the lights in your home a few hours before bedtime. This signals to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. You might also consider using blue light filters on your electronic devices or wearing blue light blocking glasses in the evening. These simple adjustments can make a significant difference in your sleep quality. Beyond light, let's also acknowledge the influence of social cues on our body clock. Our interactions with others, our daily routines, and the timing of our social engagements can all impact our circadian rhythms. For example, if you consistently eat dinner at the same time each evening with your family, your body will begin to anticipate this meal and prepare for it in advance. This can help to regulate your digestive system and promote a sense of regularity in your daily life. Even something as simple as a phone call with a loved one can have an impact on your body clock. Social interaction releases hormones like oxytocin, which can promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. These positive emotions can help to reduce stress and improve your sleep quality. As you drift closer to sleep, remember that your body clock is a complex and intricate system that is constantly adapting to your environment. By paying attention to the cues that influence your circadian rhythms, such as light, food, exercise, and social interaction, you can take control of your sleep and promote overall health and well-being. Now, let your thoughts gently fade away. Imagine yourself in a peaceful and serene setting, surrounded by calming sounds and soothing sensations. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the mattress, releasing any tension that you may be holding on to. Your mind is quiet, your body is relaxed, and you are ready to surrender to the embrace of sleep. Let go of any worries or concerns that may be lingering in your mind. Trust that everything will be taken care of. You are safe, you are protected, and you are loved. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, allow yourself to drift further and further into sleep, knowing that you have done everything you can to support your body clock and promote healthy sleep. May your dreams be filled with peace, joy and inspiration. And may you wake up feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to embrace the day ahead. Sleep well and good night. And as you prepare to fully surrender to the night, consider the remarkable resilience of your internal clock. It's a testament to the power of evolution, a finely tuned mechanism that has allowed life to thrive on this planet for billions of years. Think about the intricate dance of hormones, the precise timing of cellular processes, all orchestrated by this silent timekeeper within you. It's truly awe-inspiring. But even this resilient system can be disrupted. Shift work, jet lag, and inconsistent sleep schedules can throw your circadian rhythms out of sync, leading to a host of health problems. That's why understanding and respecting your body clock is so crucial for maintaining optimal well-being. Consider, for instance, the impact of artificial light. While it has undoubtedly revolutionized our lives, allowing us to work and play at any hour, it has also introduced a significant challenge to our circadian rhythms. The blue light emitted by our screens, in particular, can suppress the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals to our brain that it's time to sleep. This can make it harder to fall asleep and disrupt the quality of your sleep. Therefore, creating a sleep-conducive environment is paramount. Dim the lights in your home a few hours before bed, and consider using blue light filters on your electronic devices. You might even want to invest in amber-tinted glasses that block blue light altogether. Beyond light, consider the role of temperature. A slightly cooler room is generally more conducive to sleep than a warm one. This is because your body temperature naturally drops as you prepare to sleep, and a cooler environment can help to facilitate this process. And what about caffeine and alcohol? While a cup of coffee may seem like a harmless pick-me-up, remember that caffeine can stay in your system for several hours, interfering with your ability to fall asleep. Similarly, while alcohol may initially make you feel drowsy, it can disrupt your sleep later in the night, leading to restless sleep and early awakenings. So, as you lie in bed, allow your body to naturally cool down. Breathe deeply and imagine the quiet hum of your internal clock steadily ticking away, guiding you towards a restful and restorative slumber. Visualize the intricate network of cells and molecules working in harmony to regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Think of your body clock as a wise and trusted friend, always there to guide you, always working in your best interest. By listening to its cues and supporting its natural rhythms, you can unlock a deeper level of well-being and vitality. Let the tranquility of the night envelop you. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, the soft beating of your heart. Know that you are safe, you are secure, and you are loved. Allow yourself to drift further and further into the realm of dreams, where anything is possible. And as you sleep, remember that your body clock will continue to work tirelessly, orchestrating the complex processes that keep you alive and well. It's a silent symphony of life playing out within you every moment of every day. So, surrender to the night, embrace the darkness, and allow your body clock to guide you towards a peaceful and rejuvenating sleep. Sweet dreams, and may you awaken feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to embrace the dawn. Good night. Now let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of chronobiology, the science that studies these internal clocks. These aren't just single, isolated timekeepers. They're complex, interconnected networks that exist within nearly every cell in your body. Think of it as a vast, decentralized system where each cell maintains its own rhythmic activity, synchronized by a master clock located in the brain, specifically in the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, nestled within the hypothalamus. The SCN receives direct input from your eyes, sensing the presence or absence of light. This information is crucial for synchronizing all the peripheral clocks throughout your body. When light enters your eyes, it sends a signal to the SCN, which then relays this information to other parts of the brain and body, influencing hormone production, body temperature, and other physiological processes. This is why consistent exposure to daylight is so important for maintaining a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Irregular light exposure, especially late at night, can throw off the SCN and disrupt the synchronization of your internal clocks, leading to sleep problems and other health issues. These cellular clocks are driven by a fascinating interplay of genes and proteins. Specific genes, often referred to as clock genes, produce proteins that accumulate and interact with each other in a rhythmic fashion. As these proteins build up, they eventually inhibit the production of their own genes, creating a negative feedback loop. This cycle of protein accumulation and degradation takes approximately 24 hours, forming the basis of the circadian rhythm. Think of it as an intricate dance of molecules, each playing its part in keeping time within your cells. Furthermore, understanding your chronotype, your individual sleep propensity, can be incredibly beneficial. Are you a morning lark, naturally inclined to wake up early and feel most alert in the morning? Or are you a night owl, preferring to stay up late and feeling more productive in the evening? Knowing your chronotype can help you align your daily activities with your natural rhythms, optimizing your sleep, productivity, and overall well-being. While genetics play a role in determining your chronotype, it can also be influenced by environmental factors such as light exposure and social schedules. Consider experimenting with different sleep schedules to find what works best for you. If you're a night owl trying to shift towards an earlier schedule, gradually adjusting your bedtime and wake-up time, along with increasing your exposure to morning sunlight and limiting evening light, can be helpful. Be patient and consistent, as it takes time for your body clock to adapt to a new schedule. And remember the profound impact of stress on your sleep and circadian rhythms. Chronic stress can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones and neurotransmitters that regulate sleep, leading to insomnia and other sleep disorders. Practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help to reduce stress and promote restful sleep. Even a few minutes of mindfulness before bed can make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep. Embrace the stillness of the night. Let your mind wander, but gently guide it back to the present moment whenever it gets carried away. Focus on the sensation of your breath, the feeling of your body against the mattress, Let go of any worries or anxieties that may be lingering in your mind. They can wait until morning. Imagine the vastness of the universe, the billions of stars twinkling in the night sky. Feel a sense of connection to something larger than yourself. You are part of this universe, and you are loved and supported by it. As you drift off to sleep, know that your body is working hard to repair and rejuvenate itself. Your brain is consolidating memories, your muscles are relaxing, and your immune system is strengthening. Sleep is a precious gift, a time for healing and renewal. So, let go of any resistance, surrender to the pull of sleep, and allow yourself to be transported to the land of dreams. May your sleep be deep and restorative, and may you awaken feeling refreshed and ready to greet the new day with joy and enthusiasm. Sleep well, and good night. And as you drift deeper into slumber, consider the silent symphony playing out within your cells. The intricate dance of genes and proteins, orchestrated by your internal clocks, ensuring that every process is timed to perfection, from the release of hormones to the regulation of body temperature. These cellular rhythms are working tirelessly to maintain your health and well-being. Think of it as a hidden orchestra, playing a beautiful melody that supports your life, even as you rest. Consider the fascinating interplay between your circadian clock and your immune system. Research has shown that the timing of your sleep can significantly impact your immune response. When you're sleep deprived or your circadian rhythms are disrupted, your immune system becomes weakened, making you more susceptible to infections. Prioritizing sleep and maintaining a regular sleep schedule can help to strengthen your immune system and protect you from illness. It's a powerful reminder that sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's a fundamental pillar of health. As you breathe deeply, imagine the air filling your lungs, carrying oxygen to every cell in your body. This oxygen fuels the energy-producing mitochondria within your cells, the powerhouses that keep you alive and functioning. And even these tiny powerhouses are influenced by your circadian clock, their activity fluctuating throughout the day to match your energy needs. Every breath you take is a testament to the incredible complexity and resilience of your body, a symphony of biological processes working in harmony. Now, let your thoughts turn to the fascinating world of chronopharmacology, the study of how the timing of medication can affect its effectiveness and side effects. It turns out that many drugs are more effective when taken at certain times of the day, aligning with the body's natural rhythms. For example, some blood pressure medications are more effective when taken at night, while certain pain relievers may be more effective in the morning. Understanding the principles of chronopharmacology can help to optimize medication schedules and improve treatment outcomes. It's a reminder that even something as seemingly simple as taking a pill can be influenced by the subtle workings of your internal clock. And as you prepare to fully surrender to sleep, reflect on the profound wisdom of nature. The cycles of day and night, the changing seasons, the ebb and flow of the tides, all are reminders of the rhythmic nature of the universe. We are intimately connected to these rhythms, and our health and well-being depend on aligning ourselves with them. By honoring our circadian clocks and prioritizing sleep, we are honoring our connection to nature and to the very fabric of life. So, release any remaining tension in your body. Let go of any lingering thoughts and allow yourself to be carried away on the gentle waves of sleep. Trust that your body knows what to do, that your internal clocks are working tirelessly to restore and rejuvenate you. Embrace the darkness, embrace the stillness, and embrace the sweet, restorative power of sleep. May your dreams be filled with peace and joy, and may you awaken feeling refreshed and ready to embrace the new day. Good night and sleep soundly. And now, as you drift closer to sleep, consider the fascinating interplay between your circadian clock and your immune system. Your immune cells, those tireless defenders against illness, also operate on a 24-hour cycle. Their activity waxes and wanes throughout the day, influencing your susceptibility to infection and the effectiveness of vaccines. Studies have shown, for instance, that vaccinations administered in the morning may elicit a stronger immune response than those given in the afternoon, a testament to the circadian rhythm of immune function. This intricate connection underscores the importance of maintaining a regular sleep schedule to support a robust and responsive immune system. Adequate sleep allows your immune cells to function optimally, bolstering your defenses against the myriad threats you encounter each day. It's yet another example of how your internal clock orchestrates a multitude of bodily processes, quietly influencing your health and well-being in profound ways. Think, too, about the impact of light on your circadian rhythm. Light, especially sunlight, is the most potent cue for synchronizing your internal clock with the external world. Specialized cells in your retina detect light and transmit signals to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, the master pacemaker in your brain. This, in turn, regulates the release of hormones like melatonin, which promotes sleepiness, and cortisol, which promotes alertness. Exposure to bright light in the morning helps to suppress melatonin production and kickstart your day, while dimming the lights in the evening signals your body to prepare for sleep. The widespread use of artificial light, particularly blue light emitted from electronic devices, can disrupt this natural process, making it harder to fall asleep and leading to sleep disturbances. It's a reminder to be mindful of your light exposure and to create a sleep-friendly environment in your bedroom by minimizing artificial light sources. Consider using blackout curtains, avoiding screens before bed, and perhaps even investing in blue light-blocking glasses to protect your circadian rhythm and promote restful sleep. And as sleep begins to gently pull you under, ponder the amazing plasticity of your circadian clock. While your genes provide the fundamental framework, your lifestyle and environment play a crucial role in shaping its function. Factors such as your sleep schedule, diet, exercise habits, and exposure to stress can all influence the timing and strength of your circadian rhythms. By adopting healthy habits, you can train your clock to work in your favor, promoting consistent sleep patterns and improving your overall health. This might involve establishing a regular bedtime routine, avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed, engaging in regular physical activity, but not too close to bedtime, and practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. Remember, your circadian clock is not a rigid structure, but a dynamic system that can be influenced by your choices. By taking proactive steps to support its function, you can unlock its full potential and reap the many benefits of a well-regulated internal clock. So, breathe deeply. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the mattress, and allow yourself to be enveloped by the comforting embrace of the night. Let go of any worries or anxieties, knowing that your body is working tirelessly to repair and restore itself while you sleep. Trust in the power of your internal clock to guide you through the night, ensuring that you awaken feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to embrace the day ahead. Let the darkness be your sanctuary, the silence your lullaby, and the promise of a new day your guiding star. Good night, and may your sleep be deep, restorative, and filled with peaceful dreams. And as you drift further into slumber, consider the fascinating interplay between your circadian clock and other bodily systems. It's not an isolated entity. Rather, it's intricately connected to your immune system, your metabolism, and even your mood regulation. Disruptions to your circadian rhythm, such as those experienced during jet lag or shift work, can have far-reaching consequences, increasing your susceptibility to illness, impacting your weight and blood sugar control, and contributing to feelings of anxiety or depression. Understanding these connections highlights the importance of prioritizing sleep and maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm for overall well-being. Think about the food you consume and its relationship with your internal clock. When you eat can be just as important as what you eat. Eating meals at irregular times can disrupt your circadian rhythm and lead to metabolic dysfunction. Try to establish a consistent eating schedule, aligning your meals with a natural light-dark cycle. Consider having your largest meal earlier in the day and avoiding heavy meals close to bedtime. This allows your body to properly digest and metabolize the food before you sleep, preventing disruptions to your sleep cycle and promoting better metabolic health. Imagine your digestive system working in harmony with your circadian clock, efficiently processing nutrients and providing you with the energy you need throughout the day. Also, reflect on the influence of social rhythms on your sleep. Our social interactions and daily routines often dictate when we wake up, when we eat, and when we go to bed. While these social cues can be helpful in structuring our days, it's important to listen to your body's internal clock and prioritize your sleep needs. If possible, try to align your social schedule with your natural sleep-wake preferences. This might involve setting boundaries with social obligations or finding ways to incorporate downtime and relaxation into your busy schedule. Remember that prioritizing your sleep is not selfish, but rather an essential act of self-care that allows you to be more present and engaged in your social interactions. And now, as sleep deepens, let your mind wander to the future of chronobiology. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about the intricacies of the circadian clock and its impact on human health. From developing new treatments for sleep disorders to exploring the potential of chronotherapy, timing medications to coincide with the body's natural rhythms. The field of chronobiology holds immense promise for improving our understanding and treatment of a wide range of conditions. Imagine a future where personalized sleep schedules and chronotherapy are commonplace, allowing us to optimize our health and well-being by working in harmony with our internal clocks. Allow the gentle rhythm of your breath to guide you deeper into sleep. Feel the tension melting away from your muscles as you surrender to the embrace of the night. Let the darkness be your canvas and your dreams your masterpiece. Trust in the inherent wisdom of your body, knowing that it is working tirelessly to restore, rejuvenate, and prepare you for the day ahead. Surrender to the magic of sleep and allow yourself to be transported to a world of peace, tranquility, and endless possibilities. Good night, sleep well, and may your dreams be filled with wonder and joy as you drift further into slumber. Consider the profound connection between your circadian clock and the very fabric of life on Earth. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, nearly every living organism possesses an internal timekeeping system that allows it to anticipate and adapt to the cyclical changes in its environment. Think about the daily migration of plankton in the ocean, rising to the surface at night to feed and descending during the day to avoid predators. Or the precise timing of bird migrations, triggered by changes in day length and hormonal shifts. These are just a few examples of the incredible power of circadian rhythms to synchronize life with the planet's natural rhythms. Reflect on the evolutionary origins of the circadian clock. Scientists believe that these internal time-keeping systems evolved billions of years ago, likely in response to the daily cycle of light and darkness created by Earth's rotation. Over time, these primitive clocks became more sophisticated, allowing organisms to not only anticipate the daily cycle, but also to fine-tune their physiology and behavior to optimize survival and reproduction. Consider the remarkable adaptations that have evolved in different species to cope with extreme environments, such as the hibernation of bears during the winter months or the nocturnal activity patterns of desert animals. These adaptations are all orchestrated by the circadian clock, allowing these organisms to thrive in challenging conditions. Now, as you approach the threshold of sleep, let your thoughts turn to the practical steps you can take to support your own circadian clock and improve your sleep. Consider the importance of light exposure, particularly in the morning. Exposure to bright light early in the day helps to suppress the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, and signals to your body that it's time to be awake and alert. Try to spend some time outdoors in the morning, even if it's just for a few minutes. If that's not possible, consider using a light therapy lamp to simulate the effects of sunlight. Think about the impact of your diet on your sleep. Avoid eating large meals or sugary snacks close to bedtime, as these can interfere with your sleep. Instead, focus on eating a balanced diet throughout the day and consider incorporating foods that are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that can help promote sleep. These include foods like turkey, nuts, and seeds. And finally, consider the role of exercise in regulating your sleep. Regular physical activity can improve sleep quality and duration. but it's important to avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as this can be stimulating and make it harder to fall asleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, and try to schedule your workouts earlier in the day. As you continue to drift off, remember that sleep is not just a passive state of rest, but rather an active and essential process that is vital for your physical and mental health. It's a time for your body to repair and restore itself, for your brain to consolidate memories and process information, and for your mind to wander and explore the vast landscape of your imagination. Embrace the power of sleep and allow yourself to be transported to a world of peace, tranquility, and endless possibilities. Let go of any worries or anxieties that may be lingering in your mind, and trust that your body knows exactly what it needs to do to prepare you for the day ahead. Good night, sleep well, and may your dreams be filled with wonder, joy, and the quiet wisdom of the night.